Okay. Run. Now it feels more like the old town. Well, at least we saw the real side of Sant Boi. Now it's the older part, and this will lead to the very nice cathedral. Oh, gonna get muscles, Hugo, pushing you up. Yeah, we're gonna do the church and then the train back to us. As I mentioned earlier, it's Halloween. That's why there's some kids trick-or-treating there while they're dressed up. Which way? Yeah, well, not the stairs. Looks like a shortcut. Oh. Oh, the weight of you, man. And here we are at the church. Look at the big church, Hugo, and the bell. Ding dong, the bells. Oh, it might be open at the side. I've been here a few times and never caught it open. Well, these front doors, there was a side door I went in once. Agua? Where? Where's the agua? Hey? Oh! Yeah, church, huh? The side door's locked as well, so I'm not. That's, you can go in that way. It's just another beautiful church, cathedral. Well, yeah. So yeah, that was Sant Boi. I'll show you just a little view here. And in some other vids, you see where that train bridge is and the trees and stuff in front of me. There's a vid of me taking a walk through there. And in fact, I know I walked with you, Hugo, but we didn't film that time. But yeah, it's a great walk, and there's a river to chill out at. No, don't fall, Hugo. We don't want to fall. You want out? Hold on. Let me just quickly get a picture. Yeah, we will. I'm just getting a quick picture, then you can come out. Oh yeah, Sant Boi. Come and have a look.